Make sure you stay until the end. It could be a really easy fix. Do not waste your money until you watch that video. We'll try to save you quite a bit of money. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick helpful video guys to any of you having a Maserati. It could be almost any Maserati. We're talking about Levante Ghibli Quattroporte Granturismo. If you have any of the following or combination of the three codes together, we're talking about P0521 P0522 or P0524. Often you will see these three codes together. If you just have a low pressure code, you need to immediately stop the car at a safe place. Don't drive it, you can destroy your engine. But if you have these four codes, there is a possibility, but until you're verifying that, never drive the car, that it's actually something else. Stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engines, computers, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making and providing these videos for free. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, let's go ahead and do some diagnostics, okay? We're going to plug the scanner and stuff like that. Just a quick reminder, always test your car battery on modern vehicles, because battery that does start the Maserati doesn't mean it's a good battery. We have a few modules, like up to 40-50 modules on some models that will communicate with each other, and unstable current can cause that as well. So let's go ahead, scan the system, and we'll explain what you need to check. So we're going to get guys our scanner here X2. That's an amazing scanner, by the way. And what we're going to do now, okay, we're going to connect it to the OBD port, which is under, okay, usually on most vehicles. Let me see, make sure I don't hit that Mercedes here. Okay, perfect. Under the steering wheel. 1 second, we'll need to have the key as well. And where that one is located. Okay, right there. So we have to do. Okay, let me see which way it goes. Okay, I'm still trying to connect it guys. Limited visibility here because I cannot open the door all the way. Perfect, it's on. Voltage is at 12.0, a little bit low. For diagnostics it's recommended to always have good voltage. Even you may need to put the car, okay, on a charger, so you have stable voltage, you don't get under voltage codes. And if you're doing especially programming, you definitely need to have stable voltage, so you may end up having some serious problems. Here now guys, okay, what do we need to do? We're going to go ahead. Okay, let me position the scanner where you can see it. We're going to turn the ignition on now without pressing the brake pedal. Do not press the brake pedal. And I click the ignition twice until it comes to the run position right here. Let me turn the sound off. Okay. And now we're going to click diagnostics. In diagnostics, we're going to select VIN, how to scan. Okay. It's going to take a little bit of time to actually find the VIN number, read it, decode it. Okay, so it's working on it right now. We'll see, it's getting there. Okay, check out, engine lights on, right? Right there guys, okay, you can clearly see the engine light being on. Perfect, now we're going to select Levante 2017 model. That's the correct vehicle, we confirm. We can go to system selection or advanced scan. If we go to system selection, engine system, ours is the gasoline V6, read trouble codes, and watch what is happening here guys, okay. We have P0524, engine oil pressure too low, O2 sensors, okay. So current circuit high, that means disconnected oil pressure sensor, circuit high, right there, okay. That's what's causing our problem right now. U0129 lost communication with brake system control module, and engine oil pressure sensor performance P0521. All that guys Okay, stay with us, we'll explain what easily causes that now. So guys, you saw the codes, right? The 3 codes, and we have multiple codes for loss communication and upstream oxygen sensors. Now, we replace, guys, the oxygen sensors, okay? But at that point, guys, okay, we still once in a while got codes for P0521, 522 or 524. And also we got codes, guys, okay, related to loss communication with different modules. What can easily cause that now? This is, guys, let us show you. Right here, okay, this is your oil pressure sensor, right there. I want to show it to you. That's what it does. That's the device that reads your oil pressure. Where it's located, we have a special video how to replace oil pressure sensor on Maserati. Check it out, it will teach you. But this sensor was working really good until you get close to 3000 RPMs. The moment you pass over 3000 RPMs, automatically the engine light will come on, oil pressure light will come on as well, red oil light. And if you guys get oil pressure light on, never drive the car until you fix it. Because if you don't fix it and keep driving it, you lose oil pressure, you're going to destroy your engine. In our case, the engine was fine, it had really good oil pressure, but that sensor was just giving up. And eventually, guys, at 3000 RPMs, it was turning off. And as a result, we had to replace it. For any of you that want to see how to do that step by step, video will be on our channel that will teach you how to do it, guys. If you need help with that, check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.